You can have power, control and freedom in your singing if you know how to keep your vocal position steady. Hey, it's Andre.mik here. I'm not just a teacher talking theory, I am a professional singer with a classical background. I know what it's like to struggle with tension, uneven tone or losing control on high notes. Today I want to talk about something that completely changed the way I sing: vocal position. It's one of those things that many singers don't really understand at first, but once you get it, your voice starts to feel lighter, more stable and more natural. One important reminder: to sing good, you need to have a breath support, because without it, vocal position or other vocal techniques will not help you as they should. By the way, you can check my video about breath support. You can click here, or you can find a link in description. So, in this video I'll show you what vocal position really means and how you can find yours with a few simple exercises. When I say vocal position, I mean where your sound lives inside your body. Some people sing too deep. Everything happens in the throat or chest and the voice feels heavy. Others push everything up. The sound goes into the nose and they lose power. The correct position is balanced. The main goal is for your voice to sound clean, bright and natural, without tension or fatigue. When we sing higher, the vocal position naturally wants to rise as well. It tends to move upward and become too close or nasal. To keep it steady, imagine your voice is actually going down as you sing higher. This helps you hold the sound in the middle, balanced and grounded. Here's an example. First, I will go up and my position will also go up. And now I will go up and my position will go down. So, as you go down, imagine that your voice is actually moving up. This counterbalance keeps your position stable and prevents the tone from getting too heavy or dull. For example, now I'm gonna go down both with my voice and vocal position. Let's hear what happens. And now I'm gonna go down with my voice, but I will go up with my vocal position. If you want to check more warm-ups and vocal exercises, check this video here. You can also find a link in description. To train your vocal position, you need to sing vocal exercises and make sure the position stays the same. At the same time, you should check if your position is actually correct. When you sing with a good teacher, he can guide you by ear and experience. But if you don't have a teacher, you should record yourself on phone or camera and listen back. Our ears are positioned in a way that makes it impossible to hear our own voice objectively. You've probably noticed how strange your voice sounds when you hear it recorded. That's why it's so important to record your singing and analyze it. While analyzing your recordings, you might notice that your position is too deep, that's the most common problem, or too close. Here's how to fix it. If your sound is too deep, sing exercises on sounds like e, well, or mniem. For example, mniem, 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 mniem. Well, 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 well. Or e. If your sound is too close, use deeper vowels like u or o. For example, hu. Oh, you can also do something like lui, 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 lui. Now, let's talk about diction. When you sing scales on a simple vowel, it might feel easy. The challenge begins when you add words and phrases. You have to keep all vowels in one position, even though each vowel has its own character and sits slightly deeper or closer than others. To unify them, we bring all vowels to the same common position. Let's use Italian vowels as an example. There are only 5 and they are perfect for training. A, E, I, O, U. In English there are more vowel sounds, so you'll always need to adapt your diction to the language you sing in. I suggest 2 exercises. The first exercise is to sing I, O, together on one note. Make sure your position doesn't change between vowels. Like I, O. When I do I, O, now I changed 5 times. Second, sing il dovere, like il dovere, il dovere. Not good. If you will practice this a lot, you'll start feeling that your voice stays in one place, balanced, steady and controlled. That's one of the foundations of consistent, effortless singing. For more useful techniques, check other videos on my channel. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment and hit subscribe so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andre.mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next video. Bye!